Man, it's actually running on a 1 cylinder. Oh, but I just said, hey, let me turn your bottle on. Oh, there we go.
Oh. Come on, we need more nitrous.
Oh, there we go.
I can only breathe so much smoke at once. We got a Vega.
This one has 4 tires and wheels.
Yeah,
It
exactly.
rolls.
It rolls.
It rolls.
It has a brake line that links on the trailer.
Yep.
That's a bonus.
Yeah.
That too.
That rolls really nice.
We
without
got the
brakes.
caliper though.
Yeah.
We do have a frozen caliper.
Yeah.
So there's some parts and pieces we have.
Yeah.
And then on the way back, it got rained on, so we don't have to wash it now either.
No, yeah.
It can go right in the shop. It got its pre-rinse.
And the best thing about this is you can literally throw anything in here and pretty much make it go fast. These cars are just extremely light.
Hopefully it doesn't wheel stand too bad.
Yeah.
I thought they were going to say pretty much throw anything into it and pop a wheelie. Yes, that the answer is correct.
Yeah.
It is a shorter wheelbase, so if you know, it's not quite Pinto short, but it's not too far from a Pinto.
No,
I think it might be close to
close
a Pinto.
to a Pinto.
Yeah.
Damn near identical.
Well, I got to give it to you because this was a scatterbrained idea last night, and we got a car on the trailer today.
Less than 24 hours.
Less than
This
20
was,
less than 12 hours.
Yeah. We literally were just, spitballing ideas, and next thing you know, we're here.
Yeah.
We are back home with a damn race car. So this is definitely going to be a fun journey.
Yep.
And yeah.
Started something awesome.
Yeah, exactly. I'm excited. Mike's excited. Corey, I mean, everyone's excited. So
I don't think we said it, but the whole purpose, like, we didn't buy this to race this either. Like, you're going to be the test pilot.
yeah.
I think Corey wants to be a test pilot.
Yeah.
Maybe Ian wants to make car noises too.
Yeah.
But the whole deal with this build is it's a giveaway.
Yeah, exactly.
This is not going to be a Ride Trailers. Another horse to eat. No, we have enough of those.
No.
This is a giveaway.
Yeah, this is a giveaway.
Yeah, so one of you will be enjoying this thing on the track, and we get to watch it.
Yeah.
And that's cool because we get to put all the work in to turn it back into an awesome race car, and you're going to get to enjoy it.
Yeah.
Stage this thing and see what it's got, right?
Oh, there we go.
All right, let's do it. Let's pull it up. You got to pull it up. All right. Here we go. We're going. Oh, it's not moving. The brake's locked up. You have to move the brake. Get that brake going. We're going.
Ready?
Stand clear.
Come on, go!
Oh, good. That was tough.
Shut the bottle off. Ian. So I think we need to go ahead and pull whatever's in this thing out.
It's warm. It's warm in this big block.
This motor doesn't work.
No.
Well, let's go to the board and figure out what we want to put in. All right, now that we got 3/4 out of the way, it is time to make an absolute awesome killer list for Grudge Taxi to go just a little bit faster. I mean, honestly, a lot faster. I appreciate all that nitrous spraying, 3/4, but it just wasn't enough.
It's time to retire that motor.
Yeah, I think she was smoking pretty good at the end, so.
Yeah.
Let's brainstorm, see what we want to do here. I know for sure we're talking about different engine combinations. I think for my choice, it's either one of two. It's going to be the big block, or I'm not really sold on the big block. We could do the small block Chevrolet with a whole lot of this. I think a lot of nitrous.
I mean, I'd pick big block, but
Roxroy?
yeah, Rotary. We're gonna put a Rotary in.
Oh, what?
A Rotary.
A Roxroy?
We might need to fix the spelling, but it's.
It says Rotary, Ian. We got it. We got it. Rotary.
So just because, hold on.
It goes like that.
So it's like a triangle.
Yeah.
Handwriting 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I think. But now I think on the spelling, I mean, it does have a couple letters right. So I think that's a spelling is a 2 out of 10.
Yeah.
So you passed on the handwriting. It's good.
I'll take it.
All right.
I thought 2.9 maybe, but we'll go with 2 out of 10. That worked. That worked.
All right, so we have a Roxroy, a big block, a small block with a bunch of nitrous. Guys, what else are we thinking? Let's put it up on the board.
2JZ turbo. If we do go this route, it would have to be a call to Victor over at Bradenton, because he is the 2JZ specialist, the 2JZ king. Boy can get anything with a 2JZ running top notch. So yeah, well, you know what, that might be a little bit over our budget. So
Yeah, it sounded like you're grabbing the Rolls Royce. Where did have Rolls Royce up above?
I'm gonna go with small block.
All right,
I think small block.
We got a vote for small block.
Small block Chevy.
What's Braxton thinking?
I'm a big Ford guy per se, right? So
Oh,
that
boy.
might be
Buddy.
big sad E. But
No tie.
that might be pretty cool in the Grudge Taxi, but that could also be over our budget. So if that's over our budget, small block Chevrolet with nitrous also has my vote.
All right.
So these guys, they're the motor guys. I am not a mechanic, so I'm thinking carbon fiber inlays on the dashboard. I'm thinking some decking on the inside to cover up some of the areas.
So you're just gonna make it look fast. That's your
Make it look
job.
fast. That is my job. I don't know. Honestly, a big block might help keep the front end down, but my vote's going to be for small block. No, I'm not going to let this thing leave looking looking like that.
Oh
So we're doing carbon fiber wrap or carbon fiber?
Oh, carbon fiber.
So we're laying up carbon fiber here.
Carbon fiber.
All right.
Yeah.
Carbon
All
fiber.
right, we're getting upgrades already.
The battery box, we'll do a billet battery
Alright.
box, everything right.
That's gonna be cool. Carbon fiber. This guy's
fiber.
yeah. His picks.
Carbon fiber. Yeah.
And billet.
Billet. Billet. Billet.
Not the billet.
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber and billet.
Yeah. Get it back.
Alright.
Yeah.
Give it a bop.
Oh.
All right, so we haven't even gotten carbon fiber here or billet.
Yeah.
And these guys are already like way over the top. So this is not rumbling yet. We got a little bit of power though.
A little bit of power,
White power.
about 3/4 horsepower.
3/4 horsepower. We're gonna do a full-on giveaway with this Vega. Set it up for the 530 Index Racing. Little Gangsters have made it popular. Jimmy Dale and Michael Pollan has done a great job. As a matter of fact, a phenomenal job really making Index Racing great again. And this is going to be an awesome car to do it with. Now it's a Vega, so Vegas and Pintos were known for one thing, and that was doing massive wheelies. But we're thinking we're going to set this up on small tire to meet those requirements for Little Gangsters. So to be on a radial setup, you're going to have separation, not the whole big tire squat and rotate and wheelie. So I think that's going to be our key to really control this. 530 seems like it's a very achievable number, but it's amazing how many cars can run like 550 to 580 with 530. I mean, you've been there, I think, you know?
yeah.
At 530 is not that easy.
Yeah, it's not as easy as it sounds. You gotta have the right combination going into it, and you really have to have the car dialed in. So I think small block with a whole lot of nitrous, well, not a whole lot, but
Oh, you can do a whole lot.
we could do a whole lot.
You can always do a whole lot.
Good amount of nitrous, and I think we should be able to hit that number.
That's a couple hundred horsepower shots. We've been more than plenty. And you're in the Grudge Taxi. I mean, this thing being the Grudge Taxi.
Yeah.
We have dubbed it the Grudge Taxi.
Yeah.
That is going to be the name. That is what we're sticking with. It already came with the taxi stripes down the back, so I mean, it's already on the right path right off the go.
It looks like it's been a taxi for about, 48 years.
Yeah.
But that's all right. A taxi with a scoop. And I think we'll do something on paint or wrapping with Grudge Taxi incorporated to it. But we've got the Lexan windows already all the way around. They're in really great shape. It's all full tint interior. So the car is really light.
It ain't gonna take much. It's just it's a matter of just trying to get it to go down the track, depending on the track surface. So, like Mike was saying, we're gonna have to give up a 10 here or there, because
So what you're saying is it's gonna go airborne.
yeah, I think it's gonna go past the number. With how light this thing is, yeah.
What he's saying is he wants to be like Pro Mod Mike.
Yeah.
So Isaac wants the Grudge Taxi to be a Pro Mod.
Yeah.
But we're really not going to do that on
Yeah.
this build.
Yeah, no.
I'm gonna
no,
pro
no.
mod in the future would be cool.
When this man has an idea, it
Let's go do
comes
it.
it comes
into-
alive.
yeah, it comes to
really
fruition
fast,
real quick.
like the next day in under 12 hours.
It's not impatient though. It's more like, you know, we
Getting
plan
the
for
ball
it.
rolling. Yeah,
Patience
yeah.
is not a virtue.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
plan quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a quick plan.
Yeah.
That's all. It's just a quick plan. Going to go to somebody that's not right trailers.
Yeah, no. This is definitely your package that you want to do if you really want to get into drag racing or you don't know what to do to get into drag racing. Like we're putting the puzzle together for you.
But I look at it and say, you know, what is something that, you know, we could do that's different and something that is like massively attractive to a lot of different people throughout the country. And this 530 index racing was inspiration. I'm racing John Doe right now in 530 index, so we've done a few of those races. That's Scott Taylor's car. He's never selling it, so don't worry about that. But that one, we just put a big block in it, got a little spray kit on there. You can go 530s. Again, not easy, but very accomplishable. But it does take, you know, a nice car like this or like John Doe or something else typically to go 530. So for me, seeing what that class is, it is a super family-friendly deal. They're doing it all over the country. So no matter if somebody's in California, Maine, Florida, wherever, if they win this car, they can go race it. Because Little Gangsters, to me, is not just a race. Like, it truly is like this party at the track, but in a very family-friendly way. And that fits what we are all here for. You know, that's why I drag race. My kids drag race, I do. My dad did, still does. And so really this, even if it's somebody that's never raced ever, we will take them to the track. We'll go rent Orlando or rent Braden, wherever we need to go, right? We're going to take this car, take the whole package, go down to the track. They have no idea what they're doing. We'll spend the whole day and get them to where they're comfortable with it. And then the day, we want somebody to just love the car, love the trailer, love the mystery tow vehicle, which is going to be even more awesome. And for us, if they're going to be smiling, you know, as soon as they let go of the button, and you just feel that adrenaline rush on a car like this, it's like none other. And the sounds, the smells, like you get all those things going on. So a long-winded answer of yes, it was my idea, but it's because of the crew that we got here, right trailers. This whole team is passionate about it. And to me, as Corey said, like this is just the beginning. We've got so many more things planned, so many more opportunities to really change the lives of people that are out there just by buying some merch and getting entered to win the package, which is a car like this. And obviously we do trailer parts, but we don't sell race car parts. So if you've got any kind of brand you'd like to represent on this awesome giveaway Little Gangster 530 car, give us a shout. We'd love to incorporate your company into this awesome build. You guys are going to enjoy this ride. If you win it, but you're going to enjoy the ride getting to the track ready 530 index Little Gangsters. Totally awesome. Stay tuned for more.